Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change VS Code themes. So here you can see currently I'm inside VS Code, and now I'll go for the settings option. Here you can see here we have theme section. Okay, then we'll choose color theme. From here you can choose any of the theme color. Now if you want more theme, you can actually click here additional theme, then you can search all of this. Okay, here you can see we have here and we can actually go with this one. I will say okay, and here you can see it changed. Right now I will not install this, but you can actually install this. All right, now I will go back here in the settings, then themes, and then I'll actually choose any of the default. Now let's say I want to choose rate. This is not the best one, but like this you can actually change. Okay, go back here, let's say this one. Yeah, this one is also cool, I hope, but it's more dark blue, so I want to actually change it. Once again, themes, then color theme, then oh my god, this one is very bad. Let's go back here in the color theme. Yeah, default one is good. So this is how actually you can change theme. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.